Okay, so we're gonna start off with what we bought at Costco. So I bought an 8-pound bag of dal. We use it to make petapu, just like a dal curry in Tamil, and that was $5.99. We also got this big container of Worcestershire sauce. It's about half a liter, and that was $5.89. Got a 12-pack of hamburgers for $14.99, and that works out to be $1.25 a burger. And then we also got our Thanksgiving ham. So it's a spiralized honey glazed ham, $6.99 a pound, and this size was $31.63. It also comes with like a gravy sauce. So that's Costco. Total cost was $58.50. Okay, next up we're going to do all the things that we got from Food Basics. So we'll start off with this. It was $10 for a pack of sausages. These are classic smoked sausages in the frozen section, and it's 8 per bag, so 16 altogether, so $5 a little pouch. Then I got hot dog buns and hamburger buns, $2.50 each. I also got a 24 pack of dinner rolls. This is good with like deli meats and if you buy like a rotisserie chicken or something. Then over here we have chicken breast. This was $3.77 a pound for boneless, skinless. Really easy, and I use this for my Greek marinated chicken. Then over here we have frozen okra, which my mom uses, which is $1.49 per bag. She got 2 bags. I got some salad mix. I was looking for arugula, but they only had this thing called San Marino mix. It looks like it's arugula mixed with spring mix. That was $2.98. Then I got a head of broccoli for $1.88 each. I also got butternut squash, which was 97 cents a pound. This one was about like $4.50. At Freshco, it's 67 cents a pound. So technically you could price match, but we did not. Lemons, avocados, those were both $2.98 for a bag, and it looks like there's about 6 avocados, and I think it's a 2-pound bag of lemons. A 5-piece of garlic, that was 88 cents. The sweet potato, I got 2 of them, and it was 98 cents a pound. Carrots, we bought 2 bags, 88 cents each. Chips Ahoy cookies was $1.88. And then we have clementines, $2.88 for a bag. We have celery, which was 88 cents, I believe. And then a pack of 4 pack of peppers for $2.98. And that's it. So the total that we spent at Food Basics for all of this stuff is $83.23. Okay, next up is what we bought at Walmart. So Walmart's kind of like the last store that we go to. Anything that we forgot to buy or, you know, are hoping to find the cheapest price for, we'd come to Walmart. By the way, they actually stopped doing price matching effective tomorrow, October 9th. So yeah. This pasta that we already started to use was $1.67. These tortilla shells were $3.17. I took an L on this. The cheapest it really is $1.97. Today it was only $2.97, but I still bought it for 17 cents more than that. These chips were $2.97 on sale at Walmart. $1.27 each for pomegranate, $1.97 each for coconut, and then we have pasta sauce, $1.77 each. We got like a spicy flavor, and then Cheez-Its were $1.97. I don't think I've ever tried it before, but I wanted to. Old El Paso taco shells were $2.97. Also, usually you can find it a little cheaper on sale, but it wasn't really on this sale this week. Relish, my mom got $1.47. Focus. I don't know if it will focus. Okay, and then over here we got ketchup, 1 liter, which was $3.97. Cabbage, I think, was about 68 cents a pound. These Rocket ice creams were $3.97. Over here, a 5-pack of noodles was $2.47. Ice cream, Nestle cookies and cream, $2.44. Mr. Noodles packs, we got 5 of these. They were 47 cents each. And then we have the Tim Tams. These are bomb Australian chocolates. I just tried this flavor, chewy caramel. Delicious. $2.97 for that pack. We have these Beyond Meat sausages, plant-based and hot Italian for a 4-pack is $8.99. Over here we have the Delissio thin crust pizza, $3.33, and then lactose-free milk 0% for my dad, $4.97. Fruit punch, $1.47, and then we got stuff for laundry. So Bounce 200 pack of fabric softener sheets was $8.97. This Tide Free and Gentle was $18.77, and then Clorox Javex bleach was $5.47. So, the other thing that I got was this light. It comes in a 2-pack, and that was $10. So altogether, all of this stuff from Walmart was $118.53. Okay, next up, we are going to do no frills. Almost done. If you guys are tired, imagine how tired I am. But luckily, we only had to do it once, like every 2 weeks, and it's not too bad. Okay, so we got Permisons, I think, or Jericho fruit. These were 88 cents each. This was $1.77. The Jellos were $1.77 each. We have the Tilda basmati rice, which was $9.77. Sour cream, $2. We have 2 different types of cheeses. They were $3.97 each. We got cheddar and 1 mozzarella, and then we can just mix it and make a mixed kind ourselves, like a marble one. And then we have eggs. I got 2 of these for $2.84. We got 2 spinaches, $1 each. These mixed vegetables that we put for our yellow rice was $2.47. This pizza was $2.97. And then over here we have pizza style olives for $2.47. These pickles for $3.97. These 50 pack of chocolates were originally $6.97, but for member price was $4.97. I think it was like for a few days only. And then we got 2 packs of onions and 2 packs of potatoes. They were $1.97 each for a 10-pound bag. And then that's it. That concludes everything we got from No Frills, and the total cost was $62.33. All right, last but not least, Terra. So yeah, we do go to a lot of stores in one day, but it's quick because we know what we're getting from each store, and it just makes more sense, you know? Certain stores have better prices for certain things. So Terra's a little different. It's not like, I don't really know the price per pound or whatever it is, so I'll just tell you what the total price is. So we have these hot chili peppers, $2.59. My mom uses that in like curries and stuff. And then we have Cubano peppers. Mom uses this for salads, $3.17. Over here we have peeled garlic, $5. That's like a stupid premium price, but it's really convenient. I bought the Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. It's a bigger size tin from Terra, and it was $4.99. I forgot to buy it at the other stores, but I think regardless it's about the same price. And then I asked for about 4 pounds of goat meat, so I just get them to split it. So it's, I think it was like 13 something for this bag, and then 14 something for this bag. And then we have 3 pounds ish of ground pork. That was $8.49. And then I got 4 packs of chicken thighs. Some were a special price and some were different, but about $5, $2 for those ones. We got 4 packs of shrimp, $3.99. My mom uses it like for curries, or I can use it for tacos. She also got baby octopus, $4.99, and already used it, as you can see. This bag of spinach. These oranges were $2.64, so about $1.30 each. I think tomatoes, these Roma tomatoes, were $1.38 per pound. The dill was pretty expensive. It was $3.99, but again, I forgot to buy it at like No Frills or Walmart, and I just didn't want to go to any more stores after this. We got a pack of Oriental Yam, the Japanese sweet potato. That was $5.11. My mom also got 3 beets for $1.50, and then lime is not here, but we got 6 for $3. There's also eggplant that's not here. I think she got it for $3. Banana was 65 cents. The papaya was $4.71. And I don't know if I mentioned the green onions, but the green onions were 3 for $2.50. So that concludes everything at all the grocery hauls. And the total that we spent at Terra was $119.11. So for the day, I'll put what the total is down below. So thanks for watching. See